So you're looking to move to St. George, Utah. Well, you're in the right place today. Today I'm out in the Long Valley community. It's a DR Horton Masterplan community. It's actually a really awesome community out here. They got pickleball courts, basketball courts, swimming pools, splash pads, mini golf courses. They got tons of amenities. I have a lot of friends and people I know that live out here. They absolutely love it. I'm out in front of some of their basketball courts, pickleball courts right now under pavilion. But today I'm going to take you through a few different homes out here, show you some of the amenities, give you a good idea what it's like out here. This is a fun spot. It's about 15 minutes from St. George. They got a ton going on out here. I really like this community. I think you're going to like it. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Hey, my name is Tyler Bennett, and if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about life in St. George, Utah, subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to learn about the current market here in St. George, Utah. Whether you're looking to move in 10 days or 100 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a video call today. Now let's go ahead, let's get back to the video. So I'm out in front of the Corral model home here at the DR Hortons Long Valley in St. George right now. This is a fun home. It's a 2-story. I'll back up a little bit so you can see a little better. 3-bed, 2.5 bathroom, just over 2,200 square feet. Let's back up a little bit. They're starting at around $509,000 for these. You know, they're not attached to anything. They're separated, so they're single family home. But they're good little option here out the DR Horton subdivision called Long Valley. It's a real fun little spot. Tons of amenities like we've talked about a little bit. Let's go ahead and take a quick tour of this. This DR Horton community is actually one of my favorite spots in St. George. It's actually out in Washington, just east of St. George. But it's got pools, mini golf, pickleball courts, basketball courts. What are they called? Cart paths for your golf carts, bikes, running paths. So it's a cool little spot. And we're going to head into this main little area. Now this is the model home, so it's all got all the furniture in here. It looks really nice. But this is your main level. You have your kitchen, your living area. I'll go back over here. We skipped. There's a bathroom, and then your garage is right over here. And there's that half bath here. Then the full baths are upstairs. But one thing I like about this home compared to some of the others in this area is it actually has a decent backyard. And this one has the artificial turf in it. You got your brick wall. So you got lots of privacy back here. Plenty of space to hang out and do something if you have a barbecue back there. Play a few games. They have the quartz countertops, the white shaker cabinets, the stainless steel appliances, a whirlpool. You've got a nice sized corner pantry. I mean, DR Horton is, they build spec homes, so there's not a lot of customization to all these homes, but they still look really nice. They do a pretty good job of making them look nice, giving you good space. I've really liked this community, especially out here at Long Valley. We're going to go through a few more of them and give you a really good idea what this community is all about. So let's head upstairs where the bedrooms are now. I know most people really love a master bedroom on the main floor, but this one has all the bedrooms upstairs. It's one of my favorite parts of this house is this little hangout spot. They have it set up to look kind of fun, the foosball table, the couch. You can put a TV up here, make it kind of fun up here. There's plenty of big windows. You have these windows that look out over the back. And there's tons of development going on up here. You can see they got plans to build a bunch more homes. And this place has a lot of fun amenities. Sometimes it gets compared to the Desert Color area, but it's not going to have nearly as many homes as the Desert Color area, which gets overcrowded at times. Alrighty, so here's that hallway. This is your laundry room. You got plenty of space. You can actually walk into it. It's not like a closet, it's an actual room. And then here's your first bedroom here. My wife would actually really like these bed frames. They're kind of fun. We'll go in here, we'll turn around. You got big windows again. I'll show you real quick while we're up here. Across the street are the townhomes. We'll drive by some more of them. I wasn't able to get into any of those today because there aren't any ready to show right now. They're either being built or have already sold. And then your second bedroom is down at the end of the hallway, similar space. This one has a walk-in closet though, which is nice. So a little different, a little bit bigger. Again, you have the big windows. It's always nice to walk through or show a home that's got furniture and it's staged because you can kind of see how your space is going to fill. And here's that full bathroom, shower tub combo. Nothing too fancy, but it's got good space. It's functional. Now we're going to head over to this master bedroom. You can see you have plenty of space in this master bedroom. They got 2 chairs over here. They got a little cushioned ottoman type thing. It takes up even more space, but there's still plenty of space to walk around over here. Let's head down over to this master bathroom now. So it's just a single vanity, but it's a large single vanity. Got plenty of space on it. Shower tub combo again here, but you have a lot of space in this bathroom. More storage, and then a huge walk-in closet. So it's not like you don't have the fancy tile work, you know, glass shower doors or whatnot. It's still very functional. You have plenty of space. One thing I like about DR Horton is you can still get a good sized home for an affordable price. They do a good job at that, and there's plenty of options in this community. Townhome, you know, these single family homes, the 2-story, the Ramblers. There's a few more options as well. We'll get through a few of them, but I really like this DR Horton area. Like I said, you know, they got cool pools. They're going to put in another pool. They got plenty of basketball courts. They got the Dominator hoops in there, which are really nice. And then lots of pickleball courts and an 18-hole mini golf course, which is actually awesome, super fun. And then they have a splash pad for the kids too. So tons of amenities here. It's a lot of fun. It's a good little space. One of my favorite places to take people right now when they're looking for a home. If it is a master plan community, so you have the HOA fees and whatnot, but it's not crazy expensive compared to some of the other master plan communities here in St. George. Let's go ahead, let's check out the next place. Okay, so here we are at the second home. This isn't one of their traditional townhomes that I showed you through the window of the other one. This is called the Milbrook. A little bit different style, has a more modern look. I'll show you across here as well. You can see those. They're just like, they're more square. They have some fun wood colored accents as well. But these ones, 3-bed, 2.5 bathroom, just under 1,400 square feet, starting around $359,000. This one's the model home, so it's all staged. So it'll give you a real good idea of how your home will look with furniture, tables, all of that in there. So let's go ahead. I'm going to turn this around so I'm not in the way so you can see a little better. We'll start downstairs. All the bedrooms are upstairs like the other house we were at. Here's your living area. You can see there's still good space. They have a full table over there, pretty big couch, a couple chairs and a table, a spot where your TV could go, of course. And then it's similar finishes to the other one. The white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops. You have plenty. One thing about these homes is there's plenty of storage throughout. Lots of little closets. You have your half bath for your guests down here. And then your 2-car garage right here. And then, you know, more storage as well. So let's go out to the back real quick. It's just a small little patio. It's fenced in though with these brick walls, so you got privacy. But, you know, got tons of space like I was saying. But it's still something. You have water hookups back here, electrical, so you can do some fun stuff back there. All right, let's head upstairs now. We'll start over here with the first 2 bedrooms and we'll finish at the master. Here's The bathroom that's for these 2 bedrooms is a full-size bathroom, shower tub combo again. And then right here we have their laundry hookups. This one's just a closet. The first one we were in was more of a room, but it's still nice to have laundry. Not have to go to a laundromat. So here's the first bedroom. You got a pretty big bed in here right now. There's plenty of space still. You got a fun view from your window here. I'll show you some of the cool amenities you can see from here. You can see the playground right behind that telephone pole. It's all covered. You got big slides. There's the pickleball courts. And you can't see the pool really, but the pool's just right behind it. And you have all this grass, and there's basketball courts on the other side. So this is a fun location. You're close to everything, all the amenities. This townhome right here. Here's that second bedroom. Kind of fun setup with the 2 twin beds right now. I failed to show you that one has a walk-in closet, just like this one does. Same view as well. More pickleball courts that way, as well as a little putting green. I'll drive by all that, give you a good look of it. We'll drive by the pool as well. And here's a walk-in closet. This one's bigger than the other one, but it's a nice good size for a walk-in closet for, you know, a small bedroom like this. Then here's that third bedroom. This is your master bedroom. Got plenty of space here, a lot bigger of a room. We'll come to this far side, give you a look as well. And then it's got a good sized walk-in closet too. I mean, nothing huge like some of these homes you see, but I mean, it's got a good space, got what you need. And then here's your master bathroom. So they're separate, the closet and your bathroom, which you don't see all the time in masters. And it's just, it got a deep tub, it's a shower combo, and then that similar, you know, vanity with those nice white shaker cabinets. So now I'm going to take you and drive around some of this community, show you some of the other styles. They got ramblers, single level homes as well. And then I want to take you and drive you around some of the amenities, give you a better idea. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Okay, so here's some of those rambler style homes, easy to get to real quick. And I'm going to show you some of the amenities. Then we'll drive by more of those rambler style homes. But you have the clubhouse, all the pools, a lot of pickleball courts right over there. I want to show you this. There's some more pickleball courts. They have tons here. And here's their mini golf area. You can see it's got a lot of fun. They have a driving net over there for, you know, hitting golf balls. And then here's all their pickleball courts. And then across the street you have more pickleball courts and the playground. But kind of a fun little spot for these homes right here. But this is a single family rambler homes this way. We'll drive by a few more of them. There's not any that we can go through right now, but I'll just show you them. We'll talk a little bit about them. So here are a few more of those rambler style homes, the single level homes. You know, they have a lot of similar finishes. They're just all single level. They got small little backyards as well. Nothing huge back there, but they're fun. You have a few different models. You have the Cali, it's a little bit different, and then you also have the Black Rock one as well. But they're all fun. They all have plenty, you know, they have good little space, lots of storage. You can see they're building some up there. And there's a lot going on up that way. All right, so there you have it for this tour of this new construction master plan community by DR Horton. It's called the Long Valley. It's close to Sand Hall Resort out in Washington, kind of on the outskirts of Washington, almost towards Hurricane. But it's a really fun community. There's tons of cool amenities here. They're building more pools, tons more houses. I'm right in one of the basketball courts. I have the pickleball courts behind me. They got tons of pickleball courts. We didn't get through all their houses, all the models that they have, but hopefully we can come back here and get through a few more places that they have and give an even better idea. But it's a really fun spot, really affordable place. They're all spec homes, but they look nice, lots of fun space. And then the great amenities, you know, you're close by everything. If you love going out, you know, to the lake or ATVing up in the sand dunes, you're really close to Sand Hollow. It's a really fun spot. I mean, right now, you can see if you look this way, it's just kind of empty. kind of feels like you're out away from St. George, but they're adding a new road here. It's going to connect, make it even simpler. So you're really not that far from, Washington, St. George, all the restaurants and things like that. So it is a fun spot. Growth is just going to continue out here. I really like this community. So if you want a good, fun place with tons of amenities and, affordable housing, this might be the spot for you. As always, whether you're looking to move in 10 days or 100 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a video call today. And until then, we hope to show you around town.